Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Fortnite via Epic Games Launcher, full guide step by step clearly. To download Fortnite via the Epic Games Launcher, start by visiting the Epic Games website. Look for the download button and click on it to download the Epic Games Launcher. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch the Epic Games Launcher. If you already have an Epic Games account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create a new one. Once signed in, navigate to the Store section of the launcher. In the search bar, type Fortnite and hit Enter. Select Fortnite from the search results to go to its game page. On the game page, click on the Get or Download button. You may be prompted to choose a download location. Select your preferred folder. Confirm your choices, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, the installation process will start automatically. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few minutes. After installation, you will see Fortnite in your library. Click on the Fortnite icon to launch the game. Enjoy your gaming experience as you dive into the world of Fortnite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.